My name is Jagan L, who is a member of the AI Incidents Database. From this video, I am trying to show that our team successfully run the main project on the local machine instead of the MongoDB database, Apocalypse, and implement the feature that I showed on the ARPA video on this main branch. So I will lead you together. Sorry. So let's go to the submit and then insert the YouTube video and the title. And once the video insert, then we can make it automatically pop up the data by exporting the metadata from the YouTube that they provide. But right now, because I have an issue with the compatibility, it is not working. This is the main blocker we have, and that we are planning to solve in the next feature. So for today, let's put it manually. And then since this is a Destiny 2 game, the writer of this video is Destiny 2. So the published date is a year ago, so 2022. Let's mark it like this. Let's mark it 2022 a year ago. And then also you can see the proof to show that MongoDB updated successfully is the website is showing the data nicely on the project here. And as I mentioned before, your browser isn't supported. This is the main blocker, and then we're in the middle of solving this problem. So on the next video, we will show the nice project. And when the user submit, then this is pop up. But the plan that from the video that I showed is supposed to show up the thumbnail image of this YouTube video on here. But right now, it is not working because of the capacity issue. And also, if you see, there's a dash line and then the force. And I will show you what this is representing. Oh, before I go over the code, I want to show that MongoDB, the database updated successfully, and then the Apocalypse here it is. And this is the visual code that I coded. This is a function named check link, and check what the check link is doing. When the user submit a check link, when the user submit the URL and then hit the submit button, then this check link will grab that URL and then determine this is a YouTube video or Vimeo video and download the thumbnail and then display on the main project. And here as you can see, there's a check mark. This is representing the code is working nicely on the local project that I showed, and next to it is supposed to show the URL, but unfortunately because there's a capacity issue, it is not working well. So let me guide you the code step by step. When the check link activated by user submit the URL, I make it detect either it is YouTube or the Vimeo video. The way it is doing is if the URL has a contents named YouTube or the Vimeo, then I make it go into the check YouTube or Vimeo. But this time, let's go to the YouTube function. So when the URL has a YouTube function, I use the API that YouTube provided to the developers, which is grabbing the thumbnail ID, thumbnail image from the provided URL, because every URL has their own ID that represents a specific video. And when it grabbing the image successfully, that become a return, and then it will visible on here. Well, as I mentioned, because of the compatibility issue, it is showing that with the main blocker. So this is what we have so far on the beta version. This is much better improvement compared to the alpha video. For the future plan we are in the middle of the danger zone is because two member already leave, so we supposed to have a four who's charging on the two front end, two back end, but right now only one person each charging on the specific part. And of course we didn't get the code from the previous member, so we are in the middle of developing what they've done from the scratch. So this is very slow down our uh, improving project, improving, and then this is taking a lot of time. So please understand that we are delivering this kind of video. We can promise that our process will be exponentially increased once we finish the deal with this delayed work. Thank you very much.